and welcome to Sai's Play World. So first, I'm going to tell you the ingredients. A glass of water, shaving cream, a jar, and food coloring. First, I'm going to pour all the water into the glass. Next, I'm going to add the shaving cream. First, shake the shaving cream. A little bit more. Now, we're going to add food coloring. I'm going to use the color of the rain, blue. Okay, here it goes. Whoa. Food coloring looks cool. Food coloring. Look at all this. Whoa. Look down here. The food coloring started to go down. And then now it looks like so much like blue rain. The real color. Why we do the rain in a jar experiment is because we can learn about the rain and the clouds. The rain tool is a rain gauge. And the name of a rain cloud is the cumulonimbus clouds. I hope you liked my video, and I also hope you know how to make rain in a jar. Please subscribe and like my show.